Hey guys, May here, and today I have a review of a very unique product called the ChargeCard. This product is an ultra thin USB to Lightning cable that lives in your wallet. This can be very helpful as you can charge your devices using anything that has a USB port. That means you can charge it with printers, TVs, game consoles, or pretty much anything that has a USB port. The build quality of this product is absolutely awesome, and I would recommend this product to anybody who is looking to charge their devices on the run. At $25, you cannot go wrong with this amazing product that is portable, flexible, and useful. So that wraps up my review on the ChargeCard. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.